Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and I am here with this awesome setup that enables me to go camping with my car. This is an attachable tent from Northeast Harbor, and it's really awesome. You can see up close that it attaches really well. I have a wagon and we had no problem attaching it. It took us about half an hour to set the tent up. And what's really nice is that it feels very sturdy. All of the materials are well made stitching. The bottom is entirely made out of a plastic canvas, so you know that you will stay nice and dry while you're doing your camping. One thing that we were impressed with is that you can even close the screen that goes right to your trunk, so you get a little extra privacy. The tent comes with everything that you need to get it set up. We found that all we needed to go with everything that it came with was a mallet or a hammer to be able to drive the stakes into the ground. It also comes with a rain cover to provide you with some extra protection if you go camping. The tent itself, as I mentioned, hooks directly to my car, and it has straps taking it all the way to the hood so that even if it was windy weather, you know that that tent would stay nice and secure. This tent is so cool because it would be really great for camping, but I think it would also be really fun if you took a day at the beach and wanted to be able to park your car along a waterway and enjoy some time inside, or if the weather turned, you could get some protection. If your family is also into camping, go with this really well-made tent. You will really enjoy your time in it, and you'll find that it's an easy setup and it's so convenient to hook it right up to your car. You'll have everything with you that you need, and that's my point of view.